Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Google Tag Manager account to your WordPress website using plugin. I have already created my Google Tag Manager account and I have the instructions that how to connect it to your website. If you want to learn how to create it, then I have a detailed video on this topic. I will put the link to this video in the description. You can watch it. So here are the instructions. We need to follow them. First of all, we need to install the plugin that we want to use. Go to plugin on your website, add new, search for header and footer, footer. Here you can see this is the plugin we will be using, a header footer code manager. I have already installed it and it is active. You can install and activate. After activating, you will see this plugin here. Click on this. Then here you have to add a new snippet. First of all, we will be adding the head code. Copy it here. Then name your snippet GTM. Then keep it HTML site-wide, and here you need to choose the location that is header and paste your header code here. Then click on save. Once saved, then click on add new snippet, as we have another code that we need to add in our body section. Copy this code, then go back, rename your snippet GTM. I already named it, so GTM body, select HTML site-wide, and here we need to choose footer. Don't be confused with it, as this will paste your code in the body section. Paste your code here and then click on save. With that, your GTM has been connected successfully to your website. Here you can see all the snippets. If you want to turn this off, then you can turn it off. In this video, that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will answer you. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe the channel for more useful videos like this.